were 4 princesses. Their names were Zoe, Michaela, Poppy, and Maya. They had magical powers like all princesses.
Zoe had telekinesis.
Maya had flying power.
Poppy had water power.
And Michaela had fire power.
They all have a job that nobody knows that always takes place at night. And if you guessed right, yes, they are superheroes. One night the alert bell rang. It was time to get the bad guys superpower style. They had to go to the Castle of Death. Yes, that is what it's called. The Gem of Powers is there.
We could lose our powers, Michaela said.
I know, but we have to risk it, Poppy said.
Yeah, we do, because the whole world is at risk if we don't go, Zoe said.
Let's go, Maya said.
Okay, we are finally here, Poppy whispered.
OMG, Michaela whispered. What? Zoe whispered back. There's so many bad guys, Michaela whispered back.
Oh yeah, Maya whispered back. We need to think of a plan, but somewhere else, Maya whispered again.
Okay, here's the plan. We are all going to go in together, but we need to be very sneaky, so nobody can tell we are there, Poppy whispered.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Zoe whispered back.
They walked on the walls behind the flower pots and got to the room where the Gem of Powers is.
Wait a minute, there's a keyhole, Maya said.
I think we have to go back to the main room to find the key, Michaela said. Okay, let's go, like now, before we get caught, Zoe said.
Okay, let's go now, Maya whispered.
They all went back to the main room. They saw a lot of keys because there were millions of keys.
How do we know which key it is?
Well, I think it's like in Harry Potter, where we have to find the right key with wings, Poppy exclaimed.
So yeah, like literally, because, well, yeah, we should do that, because, like,
I know.
That makes sense.
I know, because the whole world is at risk if the bad guy, do you hear something? Ah, it's a monster.
Run!
The dinosaur.
Run! Go! Let's fight him off. Cha-cha.
Cha-cha! Cha-cha!
Cha-cha. Cha-cha.
Let's go back. Bye. I hope you had a good time with us.
But we want to tell you about us for a bit. No. Zoe has telekinesis. She's very bubbly and kind and loves to save the day when a problem comes her way. Michaela has fire. She loves to do science. And when a problem comes her way, she's the one to call.
Poppy has water power. She loves to make potions and gadgets. But when a bad guy comes her way, that guy is done for. Trust me.
Maya has flying power. She loves to practice her ninja skills, but in the air. The way she builds is the super way.
These people are super. Bye, guys. Love you.